Hello, friends. Today I have brought you 5 green screen intro templates, which you can edit with any video editor. So now let's watch the preview. Green screen intro template and XML presets file for the Alight Motion app. Download link given in the description. So let's edit the green screen intro. First I open a KineMaster app. So now to add a background image, on top of which we have to add the logo of our channel. After this, whatever green screen intro template has to be added, you have to add it. And it has to be adjusted well. Now after selecting this green screen template, apply the option with chroma key. Now the logo of the channel has to be adjusted a little, so that the logo can be seen well. So now you have to add the name of the channel. And the intro is completely done. If you like today's video, then don't forget to like this video.